Attention men and women over age 50 struggling to lose weight. Discover how the foods you're eating every day are making your fat cells sick, making it impossible to lose weight, while also damaging your joints, disrupting your hormones, rapidly aging your skin, and even leading to diabetes. Which means if you've been struggling to lose weight, whether it's months, days, or even years, then please pay close attention to the article below because you're going to discover it's not your fault. How did you feel when you woke up this morning? Were you achy and groggy from another restless night's sleep? Are you happy with the way you look and feel, or are you frustrated by your life, with your lack of health, and with your inability to lose weight and keep it off? How many times have you promised yourself you were going to lose weight, and maybe even did, but then put it all back on? And more? Your gut and stubborn belly fat. When your liver gets sluggish, it makes it nearly impossible to burn fat, because that's where your fat gets processed. So how do you repair your damaged digestive system and start melting away your embarrassing belly fat, while also increasing your energy, and fighting joint pain? Here's your simple fat loss solution. Click on the link in the description to learn more.